Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 14. This is Section 3.5, Problem 14. We have 1.4 divides into 1.96. So to do the division, the 1.4 in front of the division symbol has to be written as a 14. We have to move the decimal as far right as it can go. So to do that, it needs to be moved over one place. So if you move the decimal one place for the number outside the division symbol, the number under the division symbol must move the same number of places for this particular problem one place. So it becomes 14 divides into 19.6. So the answer for 14 divides into 1.96 is the same answer as 1.4 divides into 1.96. So 14 divides into 19 how many times? Just once. 1 times 14 is 14. 19 minus 14 is 5. Go one digit over to the right, bring it down next to your answer so that 6 comes down, making the 5 into a 56. 14 will divide into 56. It should go in evenly 4 times. So 4 times 4 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 more that you carried is 5. So it is 56. I subtract. Goes in nicely, 0. So I get an answer of 14, but it's really not 14. The decimal that I moved has to come up vertically, so it's not 14, it's 1.4. So 14 divides into 19.6 1.4 times. So the original question, 1.4 divided into 1.96, is the same. It is 1.4.